Hello viewers, welcome back to my new video. Today we are going to learn about data analysis on top or list salesperson by sales division. So you can see here is my data, and we will find after data analysis that who is the best seller or top seller and who is the list seller salesperson or list seller by sales division. So to make this data analysis we will use pivot table and filter. So let's get started. So here is data. So click on here and go to the insert tab. Here is the insert tab. Okay, here is the insert tab. Okay, then click here, and here is pivot table. As you know, I have already explained about pivot table in my previous video. So here you can see the pivot table. Click on here and you can see the all data are selected. The table or range here, all data are selected, and I am choosing the option new sheet and click on it, add this data to the data model here and just click on OK. So I'm clicking here the OK. The pivot table interface is here. So to make the data analysis on who is the best seller and who is the lowest seller person in our cell division, so just drag the cell division in row, then here is the cell division name, and just drag and drop the cell person in just bottom of cell division here in the row option. So drag and drop here. You can see the cell division and sales person here. Here is the sales person and cell division, and I am just going to drag and drop the amount because the data will be analyzed by amount, who is the best seller and who is the lowest seller by selling amount. So just drag it and drop to the value here, and here is the data. So I'm just going to sort it and sort by just largest to smallest, because I'm just finding the who is the best seller, so I have to sort it to largest to smallest. Just click on it, and here is the data. You can see this person is top seller and this person is top seller from this division Kumilla. So I can do the filter. So filter, here is the filter option. You can see filter option, and here is the sub option here. So I'm just clicking on the top 10 here, and here is the top 10. I am just editing here once means top seller person. So just click on it, okay. Then here is the fantastic data. You can see here the Karim is the best seller from Chittagong, and Rahim is the best seller from Kumilla and Dhaka and others. So it's a very easy method to find out the result. The data analysis system is very good by using pivot table. So I'm just copying here the data and paste here, control plus V. So here is the just copy data, or everything is same. So if you filter the data top, just replace the top by bottom, nothing else, just replace the top to bottom, then click on OK, then everything is changed, right? You can see those person are top seller, those person are lowest or uh, bad seller, lowest seller, you can say. So here is a fantastic way you can analyze a lot of data, then who is the best seller and who is the least salesperson. So today I'm going to finish my video here on the data analysis on who is the top seller and the bottom seller from this raw data. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will come back again in the another topics in my next video. Keep watching the data stadium. So thank you so much, see you again there.